sacrifice is being brought alive by 284 young disciples of Class 5 with 100% participation. Each child a spark of creativity, together a blazing flame of teamwork and dedication. This evening, we do not merely present a saga, we honor a spirit, a fire that refuses to be tamed, a celebration of courage that comes not with armor but with resilience. They mistook femininity for fragility. They doubted her strength because she was a woman. She proved them wrong with her voice, her vision, and her valor. This is a tribute to every woman who rose when told to sit, who fought when expected to surrender, who led when she was expected to follow. It is this undying spirit of fearlessness that forms the heart of a performance tonight. A reminder that courage knows no gender and strength has no single form. And now the stage awaits as history awakens, presenting Run Ragini, unbent, unbound, unbroken, a powerful glimpse into Rani Lakshmi Bai's journey from innocence to courage, silence to defiance, and motherhood to heroism. So, dear audience, fasten your belts, awaken your spirits, for the Queen rides again, not on horseback, but on the stage before you. Let the saga unfold.
I go back to the Bharat that was once known as Sone Ki Chidiya, the golden bird, a land where rivers sang, sages meditated, and valor was worshipped as dharma. My sons and daughters lived in harmony, weaving poetry, philosophy, and dreams beneath my boundless blue sky. But every golden dawn must one day face its dusk. Strangers named the East India Company came from distant shores first, as guests, then as rulers. The chains of greed began to clink softly at first, then louder, and soon my free soil was wrapped in silence. My kings faltered, my people wept, yet amidst the shadows, I searched for one spark, one Shakti, who would rise, sword in hand, and declare with fire in her voice, "मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी."
queen, a warrior, a beacon of light. Not clad in gold, nor crowned in pride, but with a sword and fire by her side. She fought not for glory, not for fame, but for her people, her honor and her name. From Paris halls to battlefields cry, she wrote her oath. Dear audience, lend your hearts and eyes
To the tale of Rani Lakshmi Bai, brave and wise.
In the sacred city of Varanasi, a soul was born who would one day shape history. Her name, Manikarnika, but the world would call her Rani Lakshmi Bai. She is as radiant as the morning sun. Murpan, a blessing from the divine Ganga. She shall be named Manikarnika after the holiest god. Our Manu will shine with courage. She has an aura unlike any newborn I have seen. May she grow to lead, to fight, to free. There's a spark in her eyes, like she's born with the soul of a warrior, a daughter of Kashi, destined to change the fate of the nation. May she grow to protect this land. Even in her mother's arms, she carries the calm of sacrifice. One day, she will wield a sword and strike down injustice. Manu danced
not to follow.
Manu, remember this. You are being trained by the Nana Sahib of Bithur. Heir to elixir of fire and freedom. You cannot falter. Not when my blood, my spirit and my name run through your training.
And I'm Tatia Tope, born not to kneel but to shake empires. The British writes my name in fear. And yours, Manu?
I don't train to conquer games. I train to conquer fear. I fight not for glory, but for Bharat's freedom.
उठा के सीधी बन गई मैं, योद्धा बन गई मैं। हर सांस में आग का रंग मिला के धन मन धन गई मैं, योद्धा बन गई मैं। अब बनी हुआ है धूनी और आंगन है रणभूमि, अब काल भी आंख में आंख न डाले ऐसी ठन गई मैं, योद्धा बन 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 गई मैं।
she wore the bruises of training.
Again, Manu, your stance must be stronger.
I will not fall, Guruji. I will rise until the earth trembles beneath my step.
What makes a warrior?
Not the sword, but the cause she fights for. That's my Bharat. No foreign boot shall crush her soul while I breathe. वीर बालिका शक्ति स्वरूप धैर्य साहस है उसका, देश की रक्षा उसका संकल्प, त्याग और बलिदान है उसका विकल्प.
Then go forth, a child of strength, a warrior trained by Nana Sahib and inspired by Tatya Tope cannot lose, for her heart beats not for battle, but for Bharat's freedom.
Manu's parents, seeing her come of age, decided it was time for her to be married. The warrior child of the Thur was now to be crowned as Queen of Jhansi. Morpanji, our Manu isn't a child anymore. She rides horses better than most men. And her eyes, they carry the fire of something bigger. But even fire needs a home. Don't you think it's time?
I have thought about it, Bhagirathi, and a proposal has come. One worthy of a spirit.
Who is it?
Maharaj Gangadhar Rao of Jhansi, a wise and just ruler, a patron of the arts, a scholar of Sanskrit. Jhansi needs a queen with strength, and I see that queen in a Manu.
So, our little Manu will soon rule Jhansi? I hope the British are ready for their troubles, which have just really begun. That quiet evening in Bithur marked a turning of page in young Manikarnika's life, with blessings from her parents and a promise of a noble suitor. The warrior child was soon to take on a new role as Queen of Jhansi. And thus, amid sacred chants, fragrant flowers, and gaze of the kingdom, Manikarnika became Rani Lakshmi Bai, wife to Maharaj Gangadhar Rao, and soon a rebellion yet to be born. With this sacred bond, may your kingdom flourish and Dharma be upheld.
From this moment, you are just not my queen. You are Jhansi's soul.
I vow to protect our people, stand by justice, and never bow to oppression, not as a bride, but as a warrior queen. Let all neighbors bear witness, a divine union is forged, not merely in love, but in the sacred vow to protect Dharma and uphold justice. Maharaj, this is again a scroll from Britishers, repeating the same thing.
Give it to me. I'll see to it.
What happened, Maharaj? Another letter from the British?
No,
Doctrine of lapse, a fancy term for legalized theft.
He adopted Damodar as a son, not just out of love, but to secure Jhansi's future. He is our heir in every way that matters. Today it's Jhansi, tomorrow Bithur, Gwalior, everywhere. They're slicing Bharat piece by piece.
Let them try. They forget. Jhansi has warriors, not just walls. Jhansi is not a piece of land. It is a spirit, a mother. And mothers do not surrender their children.
And it has a queen who can weapons.
Came back to Jhansi. First, their own child died, and now their king died too.
Take care of a son and protect Jhansi. Take care of a son and protect Jhansi. Take care of a son and protect Jhansi.
I promise you, Maharaj. I promise you. I will protect both, even I have to fight alone. I promise you, Maharaj. I promise you. I promise you.
the wife of Maharaja Gangadhar Rao, the daughter-in-law of the noble Nawazar dynasty, I take the solemn vow as long as a single drop of blood flows in my veins, as long as my heart continues to beat, as long as breath resides within me, I shall serve Jhansi with unflinching loyalty and fearless devotion.
In her dreams, she saw the British marching into her palace. They pushed her son Damodar and sat on Jhansi's throne. No! I will not give my Jhansi! मैं अपनी झांसी नहीं दूंगी! What happened, Rani Sahib? Come sit. Rani Sahib, the rituals must be performed. You are now a widow. This is tradition, Rani Sahib. This is how it must be. No! Not for me! My sindoor is not a symbol of loss. It is my promise of self-assurance. I may be a widow, but I am still a queen. I will not mourn. I will arise. Yes, I will arise. What happened, Rani? Is everything fine? Let's take her to the Vaidji. The drink has shaken her spirit, but maybe it's a warning, not just a fear. We must tighten our guards. The wind carries the stench of betrayal. Maharani, the British are here again, but this time they bring not swords, but scrolls. Let them come. Jhansi does not tremble before ink and deceit. They smile with diplomacy, but every word they write is a chain for our freedom. According to the doctrine of lapse, Jhansi must be taken away by the British. You have no real heir, so Damodar may be adopted, but he carries the dreams of Gangadhar Rao. Jhansi is his right and mine to protect.
Rani Sahib, don't forget, you're only a woman. A queen without a king is nothing in our law.
I may be a woman, but I carry the courage of 1,000 warriors. Do not test my silence.
If you surrender, you would be given a pension. You can live in peace. Be wise, queen.
Peace under chains is not peace. A lioness does not accept a pity from jackals. Then be ready to lose your crown, your palace and your name. My crown is not of gold. It is of duty. My palace is not stone. It is the hearts of my people. And my name, Lakshmi Bai, echo even when I am gone.
Final warning, obey or we bring war.
Then bring your armies, your cannons, your tricks and lies. मैं झांसी नहीं दूंगी. I will fight till my last breath for my son, for my people, and for my Bharat. Rani, now they may attack any time, and our army is less. We cannot fight with this much army, Rani. Let them come. I do not fear the British outside, but I fear the silence inside us. Rani Sahib, we are with you, but your army is small. Can we truly stand against those British guns? Yes, my army is less, but I see courage in every woman here. Then train us, Rani Sahib. Give us your swords and we'll fight for our land. From this day, Jhansi's women are warriors. You will no longer just like lions. for Jhansi, for you. Sharpen your mind, strengthen your arms. The fight will not be easy, but our spirit will not bend. Jhansi, remember, Jhansi is rising. Let the world see. This land is not weak. This land gives birth to lionesses. We are the daughters of Jhansi. We will fight. We will rise.
तिनका था हमने सवारा अपनी वो माटी और घर बारा लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी लुट रहा ये चमन अपना वतन आंखों से अपनी संकल्प बोल के हम तो निकल पड़े हर द्वार खोल के गगन गए विजयी भव विजयी भव याचक सारे छंद हो रहे रीढ़ गर्व खोती जाती है निर्णय सारे मंद हो रहे वीणा के स्वर में याचक सारे छंद हो रहे रीढ़ गर्व खोती जाती है निर्णय सारे बंद हो रहे वीणा के स्वर में याचक सारे छंद हो रहे रीढ़ गर्व खोती जाती है निर्णय सारे बंद हो रहे प्रतिकार करोगे प्रतिकार करोगे प्रतिकार करोगे
not just with men, but with mothers, sisters, daughters, each with a sword of freedom. Treachery, the weapon more deadly than any sword. Rani Sahib, one of our own had betrayed us. The Britishers have entered through their rear gate. He didn't betray me, but he stabbed the wound that faced him. Let the traitors hide behind the shadows. Let the British march with pride. I do not fear the enemy at the gate, but I fear the coward who opens it. But hear this, Jhansi may bleed, but Jhansi will never bow. This is not just a fort. This is my mother's heartbeat, and I am her final roar.
Rani Sahib, allow me. I will take these soldiers and stop those Britishers from entering our fort.
मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। मन करे सो प्राण दे जो मन करे सो प्राण ले वही तो एक सर्वशक्तिमान है। विश्व की पुकार है ये भागवत का सार है कि युद्ध ही तो वीर का प्रमाण है। कौरवों की भीड़ हो या पांडवों का नीड़ हो जो लड़ सका है वो ही तो महान है। जीत की हवस नहीं किसी पे कोई वश नहीं क्या जिंदगी है ठोकरों पे मार दो। मौत अंत है नहीं तो मौत से भी क्यों डरे ये जाके आसमान में दहाड़ दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड की शौर्य का चुनाव या की हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो। वो दया का भाव या की शौर्य का चुनाव या की हार का वो भाव तुम ये सोच लो। या कि पूरे बाल पर जला रहे विजय का लाल लाल ये गुलाल तुम ये सोच लो। रंग केसरी हो या मृदंग केसरी हो या कि केसरी हो लाल तुम ये सोच लो। जिस कवि की कल्पना में जिंदगी हो प्रेम गीत उस कवि को आज तुम नकार दो। भीगती मसों में आज फूलती रगों में आज आग की लपट का तुम बघार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन शान या की जान का हो दान आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। आरंभ है प्रचंड आरंभ है प्रचंड आरंभ है प्रचंड।
I've done what I could.
You held Jhansi together, Ghosh Khan. You gave us time, courage.
This blade was never mine. It belongs to the fight. Take it, Lakshmibai. Lead them now. Let it roar through your hands.
I will not let your fire fade. I swear, this land will echo your name. Rani Sahib, the British are breaching through the southern wall. The guards are falling back.
Then go, my queen. Show them that Jhansi still breathes.
Ghosh Khan. In the bloody dust of sacrifice, heroes are not lost. They become legends.
Let me show those Britishers what Queen of Jhansi is made up of.
Namah Parvati Pate. Har Har Mahadev. Har Har Mahadev. The sky rained revolt, and in mist it rode Rani Lakshmibai with her son on her back and her sword unsheathed.
Har Har Mahadev!
Rani Lakshmibai's story ends, but the fire she lit blazes on in our hearts, in our souls. Today, let her courage awaken the patriot within each one of us. Let us rise, close our eyes, and play our tribute as we introspect on what we must do to carry forward our Bharat. On the first drum beat, I would request everyone to stand. On the second beat, please close your eyes, bow down your heads as we pay tribute to the Virangana.
Her last breath, sword in hand, fire in her soul. Rani Lakshmi Bai became the flame that lit the torch of India's freedom struggle. She did not live to see the dawn of independence, but her sacrifice echoed through generations. Legends like her did not ask for freedom, they forged it with blood, courage and unyielding will.
Today, every step we take as free citizens is because a queen once refused to bow.
Jhansi Ki Rani lives on in every woman who dares to rise, in every Indian who dares to fight for what is right. She fell, but she did not die. Not truly. For in every cry of freedom, in every footstep towards justice, Rani Lakshmi Bai rides on.
से लिखी कहानी है, माटी के दिल में जवानी है। झांसी के किले से उठी जो आग, हर घर की बेटी में वही चिंगारी है। तलवार की चमत्ती अब कलम की धमक है, रानी की आवाज थी अब हर महिला की बात है। वीरों की बेटियां हैं, सुनी से आसमां तक नाम है हम। झांसी से लेकर कल तक हर युग की शान है हम। जश्न है भारत, रग रग में है जीत की आदत, ऐसा हुनर